broadcasters and potential customers. So it's been great.
And can you give me a brief about the product that you're exhibiting out here?
So we are talking about our video offering, which is the Production Premium Suite, which comprises of everything and anything you have to do with video. So whether it's if I want to edit a movie, I want to add some effects to it, I want to fix sound, I want to create it professionally. We've got all the solutions, and it's within one box itself.
Okay.
So it's called the Production Premium Bundle, and what we're doing right here is showcasing how our latest offering is compatible with various camera vendors here, as well as the storage, media asset management, on-air graphics, and all of these guys now are talking with us, which is what our clients love. So
Well, it's a great version, a higher grade version to what it has already been there, or what is it?
yes, what we're noticing is, the future is headed towards tapeless formats. So everybody's moving from tape-based media to tapeless formats, tapeless formats.
Yeah.
And so that is a trend that's been picking up. And also, especially in India, you have a lot of broadcasters who are now wanting to move to HD, especially on the entertainment side. So, well, it happened to be the perfect timing for us because we've got solutions that talk to all of the HD, all of the tapeless cameras natively, right? So you don't need to spend time transcoding it, encoding it, rewrapping it, all that stuff. So it sort of complements that entire workflow, what we've got. So our latest offering has ensured that we're compatible with all the cameras here and this on the floor here, and also with all the other vendors like the storage guys and the on-air graphics guys and all of those guys.
And what growth have you seen in the broadcast industry so far from the time that you have knowledge about it till now? How has it grown in India, the broadcast industry as such, since your clients are mostly from the broadcasting sector?
Yes.
That way.
Well, it's positive. We're seeing positive growth. I mean, that's good, which is why I still have a job here in this company. But 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 yeah, the thing is, we understand that for a broadcaster to move to our solutions overnight is something that's not possible. We are working with training partners, with our own vendors, to ensure that our broadcasters who are established have a very easy transition from their legacy workflow into what we are suggesting now with CS6.
It's CS6, right?
CS6, Creative Suite 6.
Seen, so that is the same thing about. What are you hoping to achieve from BS this year?
From BS this year, we are hoping to sort of touch base with a lot of our customers. It basically helps to be under one roof and meet up with everyone rather than traveling around Delhi. And I don't need to mention about how bad the traffic is here and the roads and stuff like that. I'm not going to get into that, but yeah, it is helpful to be able to set up something here, set up a professional editing setup, and then have our customers experience it. So we've got an experience machine set up there as well, so our customers can actually experience what it's like working with it. So this sort of an offering is only possible when you're at shows like this one.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah,
And I
welcome.
have